Hello beautiful people, welcome to our YouTube channel. Thank you for stopping by. In this video we want to show you how our gigantic banana, how this banana looks so different, so gigantic. As you could see, the banana is very tall. It's just like a plantain and very huge. In fact, this is my first time of me seeing this type of banana. You know, it's so huge. You can see how tall and how big it is. I want to show you how the scale. I want to check how big it is so that you can get the picture of what I'm trying to say. Just hold on. This is my taping. This is about 49 inches. Okay, this is 49 inches. That is how big this gigantic banana is. So the reason I'm showing this is to take you through the process so that by the time you start bringing out food, we'll all see how it was.
This is our
so
banana.
That it won't be new
Gigantic
anymore.
Banana.
This is how big it was. So it's going to be very big. Wow, very big banana.
So, thank you for watching.
Daddy, see, it's growing.
Yes, it's growing, I see. This is our sesame seeds. Then you can see our pepper. This is Scotch bonnet pepper. Okay. This is Scotch bonnet pepper. Then this is cayenne pepper. These ones have not ripe. They're growing. Then here we have another set of pepper. You can see Scotch bonnet pepper. Scotch bonnet pepper. Pepper is growing. So thank you for watching. Like, share, comment, turn up the post notification bell so that whenever we post a video you'll be the first to be notified. Manuela, come and say bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Mwah.